Wow, have we got a unique find here in the heart of Meadows in Emirates Living here in the center of Dubai. This is actually one of the most desirable of all the Meadows, and you're going to see why when I turn around the camera in just one. That is your view. Like, isn't that amazing? Straight looking down the largest expanse of water, straight towards JLT and beyond towards Dubai Marina, and then over there facing Emirates Hills. We will walk outside in just 1 second, but anyway, let's walk back to the front door and then you can get a good idea as to this magnificent home. This is a Hattan, so for those of you that know the Meadows well, the Hattan style is the most desirable. This is a 6-bedroom villa, and you'll see the plot, the built up and the price in the description below of this video. So that was the front door. We walk in and we have this fabulous open plan living area that takes you straight out to the gardens and the swimming pool. And then over here you've got the living area, the second living area, which is really, really nice and spacious, and again superb views, very, very light, looking out to the swimming pool and the gardens. Excuse the noise, that's the beautiful dog that's just been locked up while I do this video. So this is a really nice living area, and I'll walk just around there in 1 second, but let's come back into the main formal lounge. That is the front entrance. Now if we walk down through here, we have this fabulous dining room, and this family's actually lived in here since day one. So imagine, it is very much a home from the beginning when it was first handed over 18 years ago. Imagine that. So it's never been on the market for sale. This is probably the most desirable of all the Hattan villas on the market anywhere in Dubai today. So the price is actually very, very extraordinary considering that location, okay? So this is the dining area. And then let's head to the kitchen. So that's back to the living area and out, and the front entrance there. So if we walk down to the kitchen, so beautiful kitchen here, really nice and tiled. So in the kitchen here, now what they have done is, and they've got full NOC permission, they've used this extension which is closed off with AC, so that's like the laundry room, and you know, probably a lot of people would look at this and just use it to extend out and make a much larger kitchen, but you don't necessarily need to, okay? So we're going to come back down here now, and this is the maid sort of nanny area and the secondary kitchen, the storage, the larder, you've got the fridge, and then down here you've also, so that's the maid's room in there with an ensuite bathroom. And then if we just come down here, you will see this is the walkway straight out to the garage. This is a double garage, and we have masses of parking, like ample space for off-street parking. And also we're on a Cul De Sac, which means you've got even more parking for guests and visitors. So let's walk back into the main house. Here we go. And then you'll get a feel for what else we have here. So beautiful. I love this wooden floor as well. And then let's walk into this part of the house. So there's the stairs leading up. So this is very much the Hattan style. So we've got 1 bedroom downstairs, 5 bedrooms upstairs. Remember, this is a 6-bedroom villa. So there's definitely work that you can do, but you know, it's much better that the owners are selling it on so that you can then do what you need to do in terms of upgrading. Here we have it. And then this is the ensuite bathroom here. Okay, and that definitely could do with an upgrade, but you know, it's much better for it to be sold on to the new owner, and then they can choose how they want to do that. And here is the ensuite bathroom. Okay, so let's walk upstairs. Beautiful staircase. Here we have it. And we're going to go upstairs, and we've got 5 bedrooms upstairs. So let's go to the back of the house first of all. We've got 1 bedroom in here, and somebody's in that bedroom. So that's 1 bedroom with a bathroom and a balcony. And then what I also love about this house is you've got this upstairs family room, which is, you know, whatever you want it to be, TV room, gym, home cinema, but it's just a really nice extra family room here. And then you've got 2 further bedrooms down here that each share a bathroom. So that's the bathroom. Here's one of the bedrooms. Again, all nice and light. And let's just show you. So you can see this is the Cul De Sac and how nice and quiet it is. Okay, and if you come around here, this is actually another bedroom, but obviously there's no bed in here. It's been used as a lounge. So these would be 2 bedrooms upstairs here. They would share that bathroom. Back to the family room upstairs. That's another bedroom, so we've seen 3 bedrooms. And now we come to the front of the house with the best views. So you've got this bedroom here, which is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and this bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom here with a bath. So again, these bathrooms, you definitely upgrade them, but it's much better to sell this on to the next owner and they can do what they want. But this is why you're buying this house. Look at this view, isn't it magnificent? With that swimming pool and you're looking straight towards JLT. And you've got the supermarkets, you've got Spinneys just beyond the red bush down there. You've also got behind us Waitrose, and you know, all the shops are really, really close by. I want to also show you outside this balcony. So you've got a very large plot. So this is your, I mean, I feel like I'm in Singapore, somewhere really exotic. That's absolutely gorgeous there. And then here is the main swimming pool area here. So what an enormous plot. It's just a beautiful family home. And we just are really in, you know, we have few villas with plots and views of this size and location. So this is extremely sought after. Okay, so now if we come back, I've left the best till last. We come back to the master bedroom. So here's the master. And of course the master has an amazing view as well. It has its own balcony. So we just go outside. Got a nice chair, you can relax out here. And this is your view. Just gorgeous, absolutely breathtaking. And this is Emirates Hills over here. We're in Meadows 5. This is the largest expanse of water of any Meadows waterfront villa. So there's really nothing better than this in the market. And considering the price, it's a great one to snap up. Even if you're watching and you're potentially a developer or an investor, it would be a good one to snap up and then redo and recreate. This is the master bathroom, which is gorgeous. Really spacious, because you know the old style homes built by Emaar in Dubai 18 years ago were much larger than they are now. You've got the walk-in toilet there. I love this. Storage for the suitcases. I mean, you know, small little things, but it's useful to show you here, my audience on YouTube, you know, where storage goes, because we all have a lot of stuff, right? And then all the shoes, dressing cupboards, etc., etc. So now what I'll do is I'll walk you down outside and we'll just walk around the garden a little bit and get an idea of what's out there. This is why I'm going to melt, because it's about 43 degrees Celsius outside. So here we have it, just walking down, back through, and we're now going to, hopefully the dog won't start barking, because she now loves me and knows me. Don't you, lovely doggy? Okay. So here's the lounge area. So now let's walk outside and we'll show you around the garden. Okay, so let's start on one side. So over to the left here, you've got barbecue area, you've got the garage down the end, you've got storage in the pool house. This gorgeous outside area, you can have barbecues, people over for drinks, for dinner. It's just absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful home. I know I keep saying it, but it truly is. And it's so central, the Meadows. So here's your home. And when you do renovations and changes, you know, Emaar's pretty strict about how the outside of the house looks. So, you know, the houses have not been changed too much. They've just been renovated and updated inside, which is what you would do if you were contemplating doing that with this one. But look at this area, it's enormous. So this is all artificial grass, you'd never know. Of course, remember in this heat, in this climate, it doesn't really make sense to have real grass because there's a lot of upkeep, a lot of watering, and it's not that sustainable anyway. So this is the garden. But because you're in the Cul De Sac, it's really nice and quiet. Got plenty of space there for parking. They've even got a trampoline here as well. So it really is very family friendly villa indeed. This really is your dream home. If you're moving to Dubai, you want somewhere established. You know, the current family's been here 18 years. their children have grown up, which is why they're downsizing. So now it's your turn. What a beautiful home. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss amazing homes like this again. And I very much look forward to showing you this villa before it sells. So get in touch. The link is below with my name and number, and we can bring you to this property. You'll see all the price and details below too. And don't forget to share this video with someone that you know is looking for a home just like this. Thank you and take care.